Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DGRI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Before I get started, I'd like to note to please check my disclaimer. So here we are looking at the chart. This is the daily and want to get things updated. Did this one a while back, I believe, right around here before it made its nice move up here. So want to get things updated here since it's been a while. But let's first talk about some areas of support. Then we'll talk about a couple of the key areas that you want to see it break as resistance. So the near-term area of support right now is going to be right here at this level, and that sits at 0008. Reason for that, if we go back through the history of the chart, you can see that right here acted as support. And then more recently, literally 3 days in a row now, the bears have tried to press down through there, but each and every time the bulls have said, nope, you're not going any further, and they've stepped in to provide support. So 0008 going to be that first key area of support. Like I said, past 3 days says, it's held strong, which makes sense given that it, held as support over here. Next area of support on the chart is going to be right down here at 0007. And then the key level is going to be the 200-day simple moving average. This hasn't been tested in a long time, so I'm not saying it'll be tested, just stating from the overall perspective, the 0006, the 200-day simple moving average is a very important area of support. In regards to resistance now, let's talk about some fun stuff. The key area of resistance, well, depending on how you want to look at it, but the overall resistance is going to be this trend line right here. You can see that multiple times starting here, the price has been knocked down every time it's gotten up there. But getting a break through this trend line here, that would be considered a technical pattern breakout, and that is what you want to see. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. The first thing that will need to be broken before this area, or I should say before this trend line is even tested, is we have this purple line here. This is the 50-day simple moving average. You can see that's one in the short term. It's been knocking down the price. So step number one before attempting the technical chart pattern breakout is going to be getting through this moving average here. Right now that's valued at 0012. Keep in mind it is a moving average, so it will change with time. But 0012, 50-day simple moving average, however you want to look at it, is going to be step number one in terms of an overall breakout. But a push and close above the 50-day simple moving average, is a very ideal situation. Why do I say that? Well, all you have to do is look back here to see the last time it happened on this candle here. Got above the 50-day and then made a nice little move. Granted, this trend line did knock it down, but that doesn't take away from the fact that got above the 50-day simple moving average and then made a nice little bullish move to the upside. So that is why the 50-day simple moving average is important down here. And then if it can get through the technical chart pattern breakout, want to add in another area of resistance. So in any technical breakout, the next key area of resistance is going to be right here. At this point, that sits at 002. So get some close up above 002, and I'd imagine I'd be back to update the chart at that point in time. But overall, nice to see that it's been holding up here. Now it's just a matter of needing to get some follow through, push up through the 50-day. Then it'll work on the technical chart pattern breakout of this overall trend line. If there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, thanks again for watching. Have a good one.